What if every single thing you have ever known, every person, every ocean, every star you can see at night, is just the beginning of something so vast the human mind was never built to comprehend it? Buckle in, because we are about to travel from your front door to the very edge of everything. We begin here, Earth, 12,700 kilometers wide, the only world in the known universe confirmed to carry life. Oceans covering 70% of its surface, a thin, fragile atmosphere, barely 100 kilometers deep, separating every living thing from the cold silence of space. From up here, it looks eternal. From out there, it is barely visible. We pull back further. The moon drifts past, then Mars, Jupiter, the gas giants falling away behind us like quiet sentinels. We are now crossing the solar system, a region of space so large that light itself takes over 11 hours to travel from one edge to the other. And yet, in the scale of what comes next, our entire solar system is less than a grain of sand on an endless beach. The sun shrinks, fades, becomes just another point of light among thousands of others. We are now in the stellar neighborhood, the region of nearby stars surrounding our solar system. The closest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, sits 4.2 light years away. 4.2 years traveling at the speed of light. Our fastest spacecraft today would take over 70,000 years to reach it, and we have barely left home. Pull back further, and suddenly it appears. The Milky Way, our galaxy, a vast spinning spiral of light, 100,000 light years across, containing over 200 billion stars. From out here, our sun is invisible. Earth is a mathematical impossibility to locate. Everything humanity has ever known exists somewhere in that soft glow. But the Milky Way is not alone. Pull back further still. Galaxies begin to appear, hundreds of them, thousands, clustering together in vast gravitational groups called galaxy clusters and superclusters. Our own Milky Way is part of a structure called the Laniakea Supercluster, a cosmic web of over 100,000 galaxies spanning 500 million light years. 500 million light years. Let that land. And now we reach the edge, the observable universe. 93 billion light years across, containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. 2 trillion. Each one holding hundreds of billions of stars, each one potentially hosting millions of worlds. This is the limit of what we can see, not the limit of what exists. Beyond this horizon, the universe continues, perhaps forever. And now, we zoom back through the cosmic web, back through the galaxy clusters, back through the Milky Way, back through our solar system, all the way back to here, to Earth, to you. One small world in an infinite universe. Does that make you feel small, or does it make you feel something else entirely? Tell us in the comments below.